Today question is show that the points or the vertices of the square. Here we are taken the square, give the name of the square is points A, B and C, D, right? What is the property of the square? All sides must be equal. Then another property we have to check, diagonals are equal. Then only we can say given points forming the square. So consider that the first point is A, the second point is B, the third point is C and fourth one D, right? Here for all the first we have to find AB, BC, CD, AD. These are all the sides and diagonals AC, BD. 6 distance between the points we have to find out. So we have to recall the distance between. Formula is nothing but x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This formula only we are going to use for all. First we are going to find out the distance between A and B. So for A and B, these two are the points. Then we are going to take down x2 is 4. Then it is 4 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 7 whole square. Then we are going to get 3 square plus minus 5 square. 3 square means 9, 5 square 25. Then the value is root 34 units of that distance between AB. Now we are going to consider BC. For BC, same formula, then points will be different. B is 4, 2, C is minus 1, minus 1. Then x2 minus x1, we have to write properly. Then x2 is minus 1 minus here y2 is 4 whole square, then y1 is minus 1 minus 2 whole square, square root of minus 5 square plus minus 3 whole square, then it will be 25 plus 9 is square root of 34. Now find out the CD, distance between these 2 points, CD, where C is minus 1, D is minus 4, Consider that y2 is minus 4, x2 is minus 4, x1 is minus 1. So minus of minus 1 plus y2 is 4, x minus of x1 is minus 1. Like this we will get. Then the square root of minus 4 minus of minus will be plus. Plus 4 minus of minus will be plus. Then square root of minus 3 whole square plus 5 square. Automatically it is also be 9 plus 25 is root 34. Next we are going to find out DA, right? Distance between point D and A. Here D is x1 y1, A is x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is minus 5 square plus minus 3 square then 25 plus 9 is nothing but root 34, right? Now we find AB, BC, CD, DA, all the sides are equal. Another check, we have to do the diagonals also be equal, then only we can say these 4 points forming the square BD. So now consider B is the x1 y1, D is the x2 y2. So what is the B? 4, right? So x1 minus of minus 4 whole square, right? Plus B is 2, y1 is 2 minus y2 is y2 is 4, y2 is 4, y1 is 2, so minus 2 whole square root of 4 plus 4 whole square, here 4 minus 2, 2 square, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 square means 64 plus 4, then one diagonal we are getting 68 unit. Another diagonal AC. For AC, A is x1 y1, C is x2 y2. C is x2 is minus 1 minus 1 whole square plus C is in C y2 is minus 1 and A minus 7 whole square, then the square root of minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 whole square, here minus 1 minus 7 minus 8 square, then it will be 4 plus 64 is nothing but 68. Then we are considering all the sides are equal as well as diagonal AC and BD are equal 68 units. Therefore, it is square. These 4 points are forming the square.